Hi, good morning. At 6 a.m. and we are in Chopta right now near the road. It's Monal in front of us. Let me show you. Beautiful. What a male. Amazing. Nice perch. Nice pose actually. Sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, good morning. Beautiful. Look at that. Hello, Harish. Good morning.
Good morning, bro.
Good morning.
Yes,
Yeah. Look at that landscape. This is why Chopta is called the best place for Monal in India. We had our first sighting today. We will, of course, we're gonna spend 3-4 hours here, and we will surely get more males and females also in sunlight and good compositions. After 1 month probably, and there will be good snowfall at this altitude, and then you will get Monal in snow also. दिखाइए कोई अच्छा शॉट. Show me. Oh, yeah. Zoom out.
Oh, wow.
That's cool.
Lovely.
Amazing. Show more, some more. Okay. Oh, nice. Wait. Yeah. More back. अच्छे frames बने. Lovely. Cool.
Like this is behind us.
Sure.
Picture
कलगी बहुत अच्छी है.
हाँ सबसे अच्छा कलर बहुत अच्छा है एकदम सनलाइट इसी का गिरा पूरा कलर.
Okay. Good day.